Hey guys, I'm Katherine Moore. Today I'm going to go through a tutorial on triangle pose, Trikonasana. So I love this pose as it's grounding and stabilizing, but the more you can stabilize into the earth, into the ground, then it gives you that exploration and freedom in your body for potentia, for possibility, for all is possible. So I'll teach you a few poses that can prep you to get into it. Let's have fun. So lie on your back. And when you come onto your back, you're going to have 2 blocks and a strap. So if you don't have a strap, grab something like a towel or a bathrobe towel or a t-shirt, something that you're able to wrap around your foot. So you lie down, bend both knees, put your head and shoulders down, and lift your right leg into the air. You're going to take your strap around the ball of your foot and press up through the ball of the foot and lengthen your left leg down into the floor. We'll just get some leg stretches to open up to the inner groins and as well as the outer hip. So very slowly start to open your right leg to the right, and you can ground yourself by opening your left arm to the left. And you can go as far as you can. You can always bend the right leg as well and give yourself as much slack as you need to get your right leg to lengthen. Pull your 2 legs in towards each other, and on every exhalation, you'll turn left with your belly and your head. Inhale, come on back up, and we'll cross over. So you're going to cross your left hand, catch the strap, right arm to the floor, and open up to the left. So this feels really good down the outer right hip, the IT band. Spread out your toes. You get even more of a little sparkle through the legs. Inhale, come on back up. You can catch the strap. You can lift your chest off the floor, widen the elbows, press through both legs. You can even take your arms wide, think chin to shin, and then release. Deep breath in, and then breathe out. Okay, take your strap around your left foot and just see how this side feels. One side's always a little different than the other. Bend the right leg if that helps to begin. Bend the left leg if that helps. Spread your left toes. You can push up, and then slowly open to the left. So if you want to straighten your right leg, it might feel good to get some opening. Shoulders and head down. You can open your right arm to the right. Just want to really feel there's a good twist to the right with your belly. And then come on back up. You'll cross over, right hand, catching the strap, and take it over your left leg across your body and push through the pinky toe side of your left foot. Oh, I feel that through the whole outer left hip. All my running friends, if you're trying this at home, yeah, I feel you. Okay, come on back up. Take your left leg up. Grab the strap with both hands. You can keep your head down and just stretch out through both legs, or lift your head up. Then chin to the shin. Stretch your legs, hamstrings. You could look at your left big toe. And then bend your left knee and release. Just roll your ankles, your wrists. Any tension from that, you just clear that out. Okay, we'll put the strap aside and bend your knees. Roll yourself over to your right side. And then come on up and sit. Cross your legs. Plant your palms. Take downward facing dog. So in downward dog, we want to spread the fingers out really wide and even. Tuck your toes. With straight arms, you lift your hips up. Feet hip width and parallel. Walk your hands more forward if you want more space in your spine. More space in the base helps to lengthen your spine and side waist. Press your arms down and forward. Move the thoracic, that's the middle part of your spine, in more and lift your hips up more. Now walk either hands to the feet or feet to the hands. Bend your knees, take your feet wide, hands on blocks or the floor, and go down. So you can get the belly to the thighs, hang your head, grab your elbows or ankles, Bend and straighten your legs. Just feel, oh yeah, that's good. Upside down. Hang your head down. It's good to change your perspective. Look at a different view. Look at the view maybe in a different way. Bring your hands to your hips, elbows up, shoulders up, push down. Inhale, rise up. Whew. And then stand still for a moment. Okay. And then step your feet wide apart on your mat. So we've opened up the hamstrings with those 2 stretches. So with your legs wide, pick up your right toes and turn your right toes right. Now press your feet down into the floor and take your arms out wide. Push your feet down, bend your front leg, straighten it, bend and straighten, and then straighten but not completely straight. You want to feel that there's a micro bend in the right leg. Push your right big toe into the floor and feel the floor below you. That's your foundation. Reach your right arm forward. Now, if you have a block, you'll place the block outside your right foot. You'll start on the fingertips. Now, you can use 2 blocks if you need. Reach the side waist forward. Take your left arm up to the sky. So now look down and just see that the center of your right kneecap is tracking toward your second toe. So you might need to bend your right knee and move your right buttocks in and right femur bone in. Press the outer edge of your left foot down and the inner edge of your right foot down. Lengthen your spine forward. See if you can get a little longer through your spine and lower. So you keep getting lower until eventually you can touch the floor. Now you can look down, you can look forward, chin center chest, or you'd look up as long as you can keep your neck line even and free. Spread your fingers, spread your toes, get full expression in the pose. And then bend the front knee, inhale, rise up. Grab your block, bring it with you, why not? Turn right toes in, turn left toes forward. So bend and straighten the front leg so you can feel that mobility and openness, flexibility, freedom in your joints. You're not stuck and tight and stiff. Soften the left knee, you can even soften the right leg. And then straighten the legs, but without hyperextending or hardening. Reach your left arm forward, left hand to the floor. Use as many blocks as you need to build it, as you will open the more you breathe and hold. Now you can also, what I like in triangle pose is there's a space of possibility to open your stance as wide as you can comfortably, keeping the left center knee tracking forward, the outer edges and the inner edges equally connecting and committing. Front ribs suck in, shoulders roll back, and then the top arm up. If the top arm up is stressing you out, just put your top hand on your hip. Notice the head. You want to get the head aligned with your spine. And be in a place in the pose right here, like I'm giving you options to go deeper and get longer and lower, but be in a place in the pose where you can breathe really freely and you can also smile. That is probably the most important on top of breathing. Good, full expression, just enjoy. Take a deep inhale, push down, lengthen out, open up, and then from the strong base, your space, you push down, rise on up. Turn the left toes in, walk your feet towards each other, or you could hop them, and stand up tall. Take a deep breath in, and breathe out. So I hope you enjoyed triangle pose and you explore new space in the base of the pose, and you can explore new ways of doing triangle pose, and it makes you feel open and free. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.